Today we are going to show you how to replace a cassette on your retractable belt barrier stanchion. Maybe the cassette has broken from wear and tear, or you decided to upgrade to a custom belt with your branding on it. Whatever the case, we will be showing you step-by-step instructions on properly replacing your cassette. You will need a Phillips screwdriver to assist in this assembly. Loosen the 4 screws that are securing the cassette to the post. Only slightly loosen, do not remove entirely. This is an important step because it can break the springs and permanently damage the cassette. Next, slide the cassette out of the post. Discard your old cassette. Take the replacement cassette and loosen only the lower screws slightly, but do not remove them completely. Fit the replacement cassette into the slots on the top of the post. Slide the cassette all the way down the post slots. Tighten the screws securing the cassette into post, but do not over-tighten as this may affect the belt retraction. And there you have it. In just minutes, you have successfully replaced your cassette on your retractable belt barrier stanchion. Thanks for watching, from your friends at Crowd Control Warehouse.